Today, I'm going to show you how to take a simple circle and, using just a few layer effects, turn it into a professional-grade UI element. First, select your circle layer and open up your Layer Effects panel. We're going to start with Bevel and Emboss. Inside, select the Emboss option. Set the radius to 2.1 pixels. Look for the Profile section and make sure you check the Invert box. Keep your Azimuth at 135 degrees and your elevation at 45 degrees. Finally, keep your highlight at white and shadow at black, both set to 70% opacity. Next, head over to the 3D Effect tab to give our button that final pop. Set your radius to 8.4 pixels. Adjust the opacity to around 61%. Keep Diffuse at 100% and set Specular to 78%. For a subtle finish, set the Shininess to about 2%. And there you have it. By blending that embossed bevel with the 3D effect, you've created a sleek, tactile button that looks fantastic on any website. Try playing with these settings to match your brand's color palette.